Hi everyone, welcome to Twinkles Kutitap TV. Today we will be unboxing. I don't know what to call this, but it is called Three. This product number one, it is peel off nail polish. And next we have is body glitter gel. Here, the last product we have, it is glitter lip balm. This is all it looks like at the front and the back. I already showed you it. So, let's start unboxing. First, we got the peel off nail polish. Let's unbox it. Here is what it looks like. It looks really pretty, and I wonder what it looks like if I put it on my nails. This is what it looks like here. The bottle. And this is the cap.
I know it smells good, the smell.
It smells like random nail polish, but it actually smells like apple.
Yes, what is inside?
I think it's glitter.
Then is it there's liquid inside or what?
Probably liquid. Let's try painting my nails with it. Ta-da! I think
Then color the whole hand. No, outside. Try to work it with the right hand, then you go proceed with the other one.
Oh, you see the glitter? Dude. Oh, there's actually flowers in here. And we're done. And this is what it looks like. Here it's very glittery. It's so shiny. And you can actually see there's a flower and sparkles. So let's try. We're finished with the nail polish, which is peelable. Let's move on to the next one. Here we have body glitter gel.
What is inside? What is there? Let me give you.
There is like application brush, I mean, and there's a glitter here in this container. So maybe we have to scoop it up like ice cream. Pop it out. There is the brush. There is the brush. It feels soft and maybe dull. So yes, it feels dull and soft. Next, we'll get the glitter. And she gone to the other side, so I don't know what happened to the other half. But here, it's very sparkly and shiny. So let's open it and test how it looks like. Looks like inside. This is what it looks like inside. It's pink. I will make hot pink inside. So let's try applying it to our palm or back at our hand. Let's try it. Of our color, you can see the sparkles and silver. So pretty.
Why you sneeze? Because of the smell?
No, alhamdulillah. Close it. This is what it looks. This is what it looks like. Very shiny indeed, and don't worry, it can be washed out with water. Now we're done with the second product. Next, we will move on to the last product. Also, it's called the third product. And it is the glitter lip balm. Pop it up. Pop it out. It looks like a Kinder Egg, to be honest, but it smells like vanilla. Oh, it is white, and it smells like vanilla, but sometimes coconut. Let's try putting it on our face. I mean, lips.
Try the taste.
The balm. Oh no, this is
warm? Soft? Is it soft? The lip balm is soft or no?
It is soft. It feels like good and comfortable on your lips.
It's like wow. Try it then.
Don't think
There's
it's.
no color, just a lip balm. Like a lip gloss.
Yeah, it just glitters,
Where
but
did
it's
you
a
put the
lip balm.
glitters? In your hand or in your neck?
In mine.
it in your neck.
In my neck?
You see the picture? Just here, near the neck. See the brown.
Let's see. Yeah, totally. So you can actually do any patterns.
Or you can bought it in the noob.
A noob?
The noob, the noob.
A noob. Ah. Okay, let's try to make a star. And this is what it looks like. I can't show it properly because it's a necklace bracelet. And this is what it looks like. I think you could really see it. There we go. There it is. Ta-da.
So we got last review.
About the products about that, it mostly glitters and sparkles because all of them are obviously big with glitter ingredients and then sparkles. That's what I like about it. And this one really quickly applies. Nice, and like you can wash it off with water. So that's really what I like about it. This is also peelable. And also it's really satisfying to peel off. And this one is comfortable for your lips, and it can help you smoothen your dry lips. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Twinkles TV. Bye bye.